Laborer's son overcomes challenge to crack NEET UG with 677 score. KIIT school teachers attended think tank panel on foundational education at PM Publishers event. Odisha Board 2025 exams, over 9 lakh students to appear, strict security measures in place. 16-year-old girl dies after collapsing at college farewell party. 12 fake universities shut down since 2014. UGC lists 21 institutions.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I'm Pallavi Kulkarni and today's top news are Sheikh Sarfaraz, a 21-year-old from Parba, Medinapur, West Bengal, becomes the first doctor in his family after cracking NEET UG 2024 with 677 out of 720. Despite a humble background, Sarfaraz worked as a laborer, lifting bricks from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. to earn rupees 400 daily while prepping for exams using a broken phone borrowed from a teacher. After a failed attempt at ENDA, a career path, his mother encouraged him to shift his focus to medicine. Sarfaraz credits his determination and online coaching for his success. He plans to offer free healthcare and financial support to unprivileged students in the future. Ms. Afreen and Ms. Pooja Narang from KIIT School participated in the think tank panel on foundational education ECSE alignment hosted by PM Publishers in Noida. The panel discussed key aspects of early childhood and school education, emphasizing the importance of various books, terms books, activity books, and thematic readers in fostering a well-rounded learning environment. The session also explored lesson planning, daily timetables, and the introduction of the 10 bagless days annually for life skill based learning. The panel stressed the role of parent school collaboration, phonics, especially Jolly Phonics, and site methods for literacy, emotional intelligence, self regulation, and tools like literacy checklist were recognized as crucial for tracking and enhancing a child's development. In Odisha, over 3.93 lakh students will appear for the Class 12 exams from February 18 to March 27, while more than 5.2 lakh will take the class of 10th exam between February 21 and March 5. The state government has implemented strict security measures, including banning mobile phones and electronic gadgets in the exam hall. Each district will have an ADM officer overseeing the exams, and the district collectors are tasked with ensuring smooth operations. Special surprise squads will monitor 35 locations, and all the centers will be under CCTV surveillance. Authorities are also preparing to declare Class 12 results within 45 days of the exams. A 16-year-old intermediate student, Sajawat Roja, tragically collapsed and died after performing at a farewell party in Mehbudabad Nagar district on February 4th. Roja, who had danced during the event at Ekalavya Model Residential School in Sirolu, Mandal, collapsed while descending the stage. Despite immediate CPR by school staff and ambulance personnel, she could not be revived. She was pronounced dead at Mahbubabad General Hospital at 9:10 p.m. Roja's parents, who reported to no prior health issues, and her elder sister, a second-year student at the same school, are now devastated by the loss. The cause of her death remains unclear. The University Grants Commission has listed 21 fake universities in India, with 12 of them shut down since 2014. The Minister of State Education, Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, informed the Lok Sabha that actions have been taken against this institution and the Maharashtra state government have been urged to close them. The UGC has also requested the state to report and unlisted fake universities. Public awareness campaigns through social media and UGC website cautions students and parents. FIRs have been filed against fraudulent institutions awarding invalid degrees. A detailed list of fake universities is available on the UGC website. That's all for today's news. For more such information and detailed news, log into our website at www.theeducationnewsnetwork.com. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. Don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel.